didn't work.
It did work. We're videoing right now. Or maybe we're not. I don't know. Oh yeah, we are. 16 seconds into it. And that, folks, is how you change genders. Because there's no longer a shaft there, it's a hole.
And this is how you take a snap ring out without snap ring pliers, folks.
Yeah. Wait, we got to turn that around a bunch of times like they do in the YouTube videos, and up close and back close, and then touch it everywhere.
Yeah.
Roll it around.
Now.
And we got the audience.
Up to do some sketchy shit.
That's kind of what they do in the operation when they're doing that too anyways, eh?
Hope we get away
Banging
with
out
it
your balls.
all the doodle all the day. And there's the gold, mofos.
There's the golden. There's the... I can't say it. Not
There's
vampire.
a goal.
And this number, boys and girls, don't mean jack crap. This is going to town for measurements. All done.
Cut.